How to turn on privacy protection when you browse any website on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on privacy protection. So let's start now. First thing we do, you go to Brave browser, and now let's just search for any website. Let's write something, facebook.com for example. And now you click on the icon of the lion here. As you can see, it's turned off, which means you are browsing this site without Brave's privacy protection. And to enable it, you need just to click here. As you can see now, we are browsing with privacy protection. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching till the end.